Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can find the missing shape in the Photoshop. Go here and select the custom shape tool, and this is the custom shape tool. Here you can see that only 4 shapes are there. When you click on it, there's no options to get your custom shape tool. So what you need to do is go to the window and click on shapes. When you click on shape, the new shape tab will be opens. Click here the 4 slash lines, and when you should go here, legacy shapes and more. Add this one in your shape. When you add this one in your shape, you can see now here that the legacy shapes and more is open, and open it with by clicking the arrow button. And here the different shapes, lots of shapes are there. And there's a different shape you used to use before which you think it's missing, but now your shapes is all there. Arrows, flames, frames, light bulbs, music, yeah, all your shapes are here. Now you can see your shape here. Okay, this is how you bring your custom shape in the shapes toolbar. Thank you for watching my video.